Hi guys, welcome to Lawnmower game Zombies. As you can see, we're losing fuel as I speak, so I'm gonna press play. I'm gonna press play now, and alright, now we start to mow the lawn. We gotta avoid the zombies, I think, and that was a pretty bad start, if that's the case. Putting her in reverse now, I've hit another zombie. No grass yet. It's a tough life out there for the lawnmower. Another zombie. We got some grass though. That's why we do it. Mowed a bit of it. Oh. Stuck on the carcass. See, the carcass part of the game, that's probably the hardest part of the game. That's the one I keep getting stuck at, actually. I think I have an idea though. There you go. Just like that. Ingenuity wins again. Good game design. Alright, well I think I'm gonna go towards this fire now. I hit another zombie, I think. It's kinda hard to tell. Mow some more grass. It's good for the points to mow the grass. It's also good for you. Mowing the grass is good. We're gonna go up to the tree now. We're gonna mow the tree. Oh. Oh, it appears I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the tree. I can't lose fuel either. I think this is the unfortunate end of Lawnmower Zombie. Are they gonna do damage? Do something. Please, spare me. Ah! Ah! Oh. Oh, check it out, we're back. Okay. A second chance at life, I'm not gonna squander it.